Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your laptop OS and available permissions, because that dictates the installer type. Once done, download the official Python installer and choose the 64-bit build on most modern machines. Make sure to check Add Python to path in the installer. This saves time later. Then click Install Now or Customize if you need a specific location. You're starting the actual install now, not just preparing, so let it run and watch the progress bar until it finishes. You verify the install by opening a terminal and running Python version and pip version, which proves executables are reachable. Once confirmed, create isolated environments with Python env and activate them. This prevents package conflicts and explains why you avoid installing everything system-wide. If path issues appear, inspect environment variables and the shell profile. On Mac OS, you might prefer brew install Python, and on Linux use apt or yum. You finish by testing Python with a tiny script. Create a file that prints a line and run Python script. Py to confirm runtime and working directory behavior. Next, install an editor like VS Code or PyCharm and set the interpreter path to the Python you installed, because tooling speeds up coding immediately. If something goes wrong and the terminal says Python not found, open your path environment variable and add the Python install folder, or rerun the installer and select Add Python to path to fix it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.